that we're still in October, I was thinking that I'm gonna try make a kawaii pumpkin. I have looked around to get some inspiration and stuff and to actually figure out how to make it. So yeah, last time I made a cute bunny ghost. Yeah, yeah, cute bunny ghost. So yeah, let's make him a friend. All right. So I had just quickly mixed a little orange color with some white to give it a little more. I don't even know if you can call it pastel type of color. Because if you quickly see here, it is a little tiny lighter. Of course, you can't really see much in the camera, but yeah, I tried to make it a little more cute looking with the color. So yeah, enough talking, let's get into it. So first I'm gonna press it a little down so it's not super round. Sorry if it didn't focus. Alright, there we go. Yes. And then I will take my needle tool and quickly note, I have not really done it before. Like I did say I practiced, but those practice did not go that well. So we have to see how it goes with this guy. But I'm just gonna do it gently. I try again. I'm just gonna do it gently everywhere, and there might come mistakes, but that's okay. Alright, I have tried a little back and forth to fix stuff. I can see it's not, yeah, you can see it's not a super duper perfect. But yeah, I feel like it's okay. So yeah, let's just move on. All right. So I'm just gonna find the place I want the eyes to sit. Yeah, I guess here. Yeah. Okie dokie. Ooh, ooh. Don't you do that to me. Okay. There we go. Boop. And then I'm also gonna make a little on the top. I have some brown clay here, and I'm just gonna roll it into a little point thing. There we have it, I think. Yes. Ooh. Ooh. Wow, that is cute. That is cute. Okay, and then we're just gonna blend it in, or at least try to blend it in like that ish. Yeah, that looks nice. And then I have some light green color that I was thinking could be the what are they called? It's like a vine on its head. Oh my god, my English. It's a cute little spiral thing that I've seen on some pumpkins. Then I'm just gonna attach it next to, or at least try to attach it next to our little top nut thing. Yeah, something like that. Yes, okay, we're getting somewhere. Now we can move on to the eyes, which is very exciting. That already looks super cute, actually. Yeah, you look cute. I actually don't even know if it needs those blush. No, not blush. Eye doodles. You know what? We gave you those eye doodles anyway. And then we see what happens. And speaking of Halloween, I'm actually a little sad that I can't find my Halloween decoration. I don't know where I placed it. I should know where I placed it, but when I moved in here, everything was a little messy in my head, I felt like, so yeah, I have no clue where it is, so I hope I find it till next year, hopefully. But yeah, I am normally not a decorative person, but I feel like Halloween is a very special holiday. Or is it even a holiday? Yeah, I guess it is a holiday. Or month, or yeah, it's just very special for me. I like that it can be cute, and I like that it can be creepy and spooky and everything. But you look super cute. Yep, super cute. Okay, and then we move on to the mouth, which is horrifying. That is spooky. That is definitely the most spooky part about the entire project here. Okay, so I'll put you a little to side here. And get ready for nightmare. So I'm taking a little... Can you show yourself? Come, don't be shy. Come. There we go. I'm taking a little brown clay, the same color as the eyes. And I'm just gently gonna find the right mouthpiece to put on our little friend here. I got this. I got this. Come on. Woo! Oh, my neck. And that's another thing that has been bothering me too, is my neck has hurt very badly when I'm waking up to almost I go to bed. So sitting in this position as I'm doing right now is very hurtful. Of course you can't see how I'm sitting right now, but it's very awkward. But yeah, there we go. Don't lose it. Mira, find your calmness now. We need to find the sin. Yes, sin. Isn't it called sin? Like the center of calmness. Because now is the moment of truth. So be very gentle and place that thing on. And can I make it focus? Okay, I'm sorry, I can't make it focus, so I guess you just try to see your best. Yes, I will show a close-up afterwards. It's even before I can't even see it. Stick to the clay. After what felt like an eternity, I finally got it a mouth. It's not perfect at all, but it's better than nothing. So I'm sorry I couldn't show you. It took way too long, and I'm sure you would have fallen asleep to it. So yeah. Then the last part is the blush. So now the worst thing is over. So all we have to do now is make 2 cute small balls. And then we add the blush to our little kawaii pumpkin. Like so. And the other one. Yep, super adorable. Okay, so now I will bake him. That sounded very wrong. But yeah, I'm gonna bake him and then we'll be right back. And we're back from the baking. And it turned out pretty good. And I also quickly want to apologize that I didn't film that I put a eye pin in it. I forgot it and remembered just in time before putting it in the oven. So yes. But now to the exciting part. Adding UV resin. This I have been waiting for so long now. And oh boy, I am so excited about it. I've never tried it before, so I'm a little unsure. 2 seconds, I need to open it. Of how it will turn out, but yes. But yeah, we see. So yeah. And the end result with UV resin, I must admit that this turned out super perfect. Of course, not the figure in itself, like you can see mistakes and stuff, but the UV resin really makes it look more professional and makes you cheat a little. Or not cheat, but like, wow. I'm really happy that I used UV resin. That's definitely gonna be a thing I'm gonna be using from now on. Just have this super shininess to it, and it just makes the entire figure, the charm, feel more professional, like more quality. So yeah. Alright, here it is. Oh, it's so shiny in the light. Ooh. Sorry. That was really interesting trying UV resin. I'm a little lost for words. Like, I was certain that it would go wrong because I'm just a clumsy person. But for once it turned out good. Like, I'm really happy. But definitely something I'm gonna be using from now on. It's just so sad that where I live, I have not been able to find anything near UV resin like this. So with that being said, oh wait, what was that thing? I don't know where I was going with this. Yeah, like we don't really have this where I live. I at least not seen it, and I've been searching everywhere. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see how I'm gonna get my hands on this after 2020, because this country has decided to put even higher taxes on outside country supplies. So yeah, that is that is that is amazing. Nope. So yeah, I can only hope that in 2021 we go back to normal things again. So I can have this without feeling like the wallet is screaming in agony. But yeah, so that was the second little cute thing in this month of Halloween. But yeah, but that's it for this time. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to join this little community of mine, make sure to subscribe and make sure to ring that bell for more notifications so you don't miss out. Yeah. And if you have anything on your heart to say, you're welcome to comment it down below. I would love to read it. But that's all I have for this time. So I will see you in the next video. Take care and have a spooky cute Halloween. Bye. Woo. Wait, what? Nope. Nope, it doesn't. So take care.